My name is Chika Wampueze from Dawn Media Group. Your Excellency, your administration has received praise for visible infrastructure projects and reforms. But critics say that measurable impact, transparency, and inclusive governance need improvement. Your Excellency, I want to ask, can you provide verifiable data showing how your policies have directly improved the economic and living conditions of ordinary Abians?
You've not said anything. Do you live in Abia? Okay, so if you live in Umuahia, you are the one that will provide data. The point is that this media chat is a serious media chat. So we are not here to massage opposition. You can't come to a media chat and you are asking me to provide data about the measurable impact on work that is being done in the state where you live. It's irresponsible. Okay, that we throw this open for people to ask questions doesn't mean that people should be stupid. So let's take this very serious. Okay? Speech is free, so you can, but when you come for my media chat, you must be prepared. If you don't have any questions, then you don't raise your hand. What do you mean? What do you want to hear from me?
Beyond road infrastructure, can we know about the positive impact, the economic impact on the living conditions of the average Abian that your policies have impacted?
That's not my business. What my business is to deliver on my promises. So it is for you as a journalist if you actually want. So if you want the governor to sit and then tell you the economic impact, then something is wrong.
Video maka Alex Otti amam ne lot of people for that video. Mono makansi ekuna amam na I always throw my support ebe Alex Otti no. Because assistance na onye bu ego ke wone so. Alex Otti is holding the baton and no ike. I like him the classic reply or this guy. Do you know why? I'm going to take him several videos where good that and these people are coming out for Alex Otti in everywhere possible. Now you begin to question yourself. This guy called himself a so-called journalist. A so-called journalist. Abia president governorship chat. So that you have a one-on-one with the governor. Governor sir. Governor sir. Why not go and gather your facts together? Gather your facts together. That journalist can the APC. That is how they ask questions. So no facts, no figures, nothing, just they believe that everything can be fact checked. Yes, Honest Bunch podcast. Sheilo. That guy make if the guys we will know why we need dismantle the lies in Sheilo and everything. That is exactly how they operate. They operate with high tension voice, thinking everybody will act the same way as they act. Kudos to Alex Otti, my governor. Thank you very much. I love what you answered. I love the reply. I also love the energy. I like him the energy you match. That energy is so called for. I stood by you in the realm of the spirit, because I am not there, but I am standing by you spiritually. Segegene Chilogaba. Ina Chitanda Abia State of Fama. Everything you are doing it for the betterment of your people. A lot of people are saying Alex Otti the rude, from people now say Alex Otti journalist. No. Alex Otti taught him his job. See again, he should go back and do better. Do you know why? A journalist be a governorship chat moment like that. Jide your facts and figure. Obuna Alex Otti a logo or local governor moneke. Ogwa kede okay. Oga your governor. I just need renovate this school or no school or for now this local social and local government had a 5. Man I go there need the picture I with it. Or what headache here. Can you shed more light on this? Governor Sagi. Get a good now. It's a need lose the to an incident. My Nigerian news are more rules allo. Governor shed more light on this. Nothing. If you're not the governor, you go allege his achievement after road construction and other things. So you acknowledge the fact that in a yes, no one will come. You know, saying well, I can't go Portalege. What audacity? Now will I go Portalege? Other things on them for the betterment of the life of Abia. This journalist is APC member planted by political vampires in the Abia State. Oihobo. And that is the only way say more than that. They are political vampires. So have you been a judge like this? I call that Alex Otti. It happens Alex Otti now. No make mistake. Say ojukwa loeba. Ewe jubia fact and figure. Nenke. Man, you cannot come up with questions. Engage your governor in a very diplomatic questions. See na yes na ifo kwalenke na la lo nka. Thank you very much for nka. Mana ne ha chopota as a journalist. Ne ndi mad na complain na tax nka. At least the governor say okay. If he complain this one, okay, look at the plan that we have on ground for it. Ne mad on in charge of it. Ne kwa nka imegule so far. Ne how the journey naga. All in that case, JB Tinubu no say Tinubu menka ngana say ya ask yonya jonya. This is the same problem Donald Trump with his CNN and BBC reporters. Unia approach mother despite the fact yes I am una like it onya. Approach here see okay na kedo ne kai find it out. Do your investigation. Find out some nobody meeting it but you suit be jojo. Even more neighbor can ask a comprehensive question in a one-on-one diplomatic questions. See okay, Alex Otti your governor here. Thank you for zelo leba no nenke lolo. How many no so ye in power. You have been able to achieve this and this and this and this. Okay, in this area and this that are leaking, my governor, what other plans do you have for this thing and this? A man a governor minor what governor no good idea that na his works are being checkmated. Come kwa other than is not social jackie prison. We guys could go there and do your findings before na Abia. You are a journalist, so okay, say but I scheme investigation as a journalist card allow because there's an identity card or something unuji represent to anywhere as press. I have used one of those passes somewhere in Benjelolo. That in one way pass can up there. Use go many occasions in Jelolo in some specific areas. You have to use it. Those on the audience when can use when you as a journalist, as a camera crew, as a that covers you to by anywhere in that location. Let's see, Alex Otti, I'm strongly behind you. The journalist who no marijuana, he should resign and go and get another job. That is it. Alex Otti na this thing marijuana. Let us sometimes learn how to reason with our head. My governor, Chilugaba, Kodekwan.